Welcome to this cat-inspired meditation. A journey of relaxation, mindfulness, and feline grace. Find a comfortable position where you feel completely at ease. You may sit or lie down, just like a cat, curling up in its favorite cozy spot. Now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Breathe in deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs. And as you breathe out, release any tension. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming lighter, softer, more relaxed, just like a cat stretching after a long nap. Now, gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your body. Imagine yourself as a sleek, graceful cat, completely at peace in a warm sunbeam. Feel the warmth radiating over your body, like golden sunlight soaking into your fur. Your muscles loosen, your body melts into relaxation. Your paws, your hands and feet become light and tingly. Your shoulders drop, releasing any tension. Your jaw softens, and your breath becomes effortless. Just like a cat, you are fully present, fully at ease, fully in the moment. Imagine yourself walking slowly through a peaceful garden, every step graceful and light. Feel the ground beneath your paws, soft and comforting. As you move, your senses heighten. You hear the gentle rustling of leaves, the distant chirping of birds. You feel the cool air whispering against your fur, the soothing warmth of the earth below. You are calm. You are balanced. You are free. Now, picture yourself curling up in the softest, coziest place. A space where you feel completely safe and at peace. As you breathe in, feel your belly rise, like a cat's slow, steady breath in deep sleep. As you exhale, let go of any lingering thoughts. No stress, no worries, just pure relaxation. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, like the slow, steady purring of a content cat. Let this soothing vibration spread through your entire body, bringing warmth, comfort, and stillness. Gap 10s. Stay in this peaceful state for as long as you like. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back, wiggling your fingers and toes, stretching gently, just like a cat waking from a perfect nap. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, calm, and centered. You're as peaceful as a cat in the sun. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this cat-inspired relaxation journey. If you enjoyed this meditation, subscribe for more peaceful moments. Stay mindful, stay relaxed, and keep channeling that feline energy.